Reddit user foreveryword says, when I was 20, I was living at home with my mom and sister, 13 at the time. My mom was out working a night shift, and my then boyfriend was staying over. We'd always had weird experiences in that house, but that particular night was the weirdest. It started with a quiet clicking noise somewhere in the hallway outside of my room. My sister's room was right beside mine. I assumed it was just something in the house clicking, and ignored it. Then the clicking got closer, somewhere between my bedroom door and my sister's. Then it was clearly in my sister's room. She yelled for me, asking if I could hear it, and both my boyfriend and I told her we could. She came racing into my room, almost in tears, saying the clicking noise was right beside her bed, and it was loud. We closed my bedroom door. She made a bed of blankets and pillows on the floor beside my bed, and we tried to go to sleep. After maybe half an hour, the clicking started again. First outside my closed door, then just inside my room, and then somewhere between the bed and where my sister was laying. All three of us could hear it, but there was nothing to be seen. My sister started bawling, and we all hightailed it out of my room and decided to hunker down together in the basement, which was 3 floors down from our bedrooms. The basement had an old queen-size bed being stored there, so we all piled in with my sister between us, lights on, terrified. We sat there listening as the clicking noise made its way down all 3 flights of stairs into the basement, until it was somewhere in the room with us. My sister and I screamed at it to go away, my sister in a flood of tears, and after a few more clicks, it stopped. We didn't sleep that night, and my mom came home in the morning to find all 3 of us huddled in the basement, still terrified. The entire time we saw nothing, and to this day, it's never happened again.